going to check, right? Stay
Going
right
to
here.
check.
It's me.
Alright.
Yeah, get down, get down.
It's me, remember?
Get down. I'm your teammate. I got Logan down. I got.
Get in there.
Okay. Oh, by the way, remember the guy in the red?
Hey! Andrew's on their team!
Get in here! Liam! Get in!
Got it. Get down. The guy in the red jacket.
Is he on our team?
No, he betrayed us.
He betrayed?
They're right there, you guys.
Alright.
Just get this side in case. Just get this side in case.
So, Andrew was the betrayer. He tried getting me into it. I'm like, sure, I'll join their team. So I just came back and reported. I
Don't-
didn't really join their
Don't
team.
do it.
He's there! Get down! Kill him, then heal
This
him.
is awesome
Wait,
footage.
no, you can't. Ow! Yeah, you can't be mine. Yeah, we can. No. Yeah. You kill me, no. Yeah. We can. Dude, just be on our team, right? Come on. You're on camera. Yo, come on, I'll give you a gun. Just come on. I'll give you a gun. Just get in the fort, right? Oh, man, Are you on our team? Do I get a gun? Are you on our team? Are you? If you get my freaking arm and my freaking feet, yeah. All right, you guys, you have to fix him. Fix him up. All right. Let's throw that line.
No, that's my gun.
Now it's just Gavin. I have a gun.
No, I will get it.
I need a gun also.
Let's get Gavin and...
I know, I will get you guys.
Andrew betrayed us.
I know. Dude, why are you poking my butt? What? Okay, just stay right here.
Can you post my video on too?
Come on, let me go find out.
Pretend the camera isn't even there, right?
Shush, about to...
Wait, I thought it was on the other team. Want me to go scouting or something?
No. Stay here.
Okay. That's nice.
Dude, there's...
Kill Liam! Kill him! Kill Liam! He's right flagged with Andrew! Andrew even said, no, I'm not on their team. I surrendered back. I was not on their team at all. Here, I swear, I'll answer questions even. Okay, what's your favorite color? Black! Have you guys? No, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You guys, get down!
Get in the fort!
Whoa, you said you'd get me a gun, you liar. Lay down. Ow! There's a stick in my back.
Well, then get it out and then lay back down. Or just like get in this corner. Wow, my eye. Quickly.
Get back. Alright, pretend that never even happened. Whoa, 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 why are you trying to reload? Are you reloading on me? Getting bullets?
I my iPod's right there. I dropped my
Holy crap, 5-star? Oh, look who's back, 5-star general.
Don't make fun of the commander like that.
Oh, okay, did it go through?
Yeah, it went through, it hit me.
He was a 5-star general.
Are we gonna go get him there? No, catch them up. Wait,
Logan,
Guys,
Logan.
where's Landon?
I need bullets. Landon, I keep on seeing him walking through the alleys of Chloe's and the other kids.
Yeah, alright.
I just see one bullet.
You know what? No. Hey, Commander.
Oh my God, he's back.
Commander.
Just really quick. Alright.
Okay, come with me to go search, right?
Hey, Commander.
Come on. I'll give you
Commander, sir, what do I get for a weapon?
I don't know. Just come with us, right?
Give him a pistol.
No, wait.
Oh,
Liam, come on.
yeah.
You guys stay right here, all right? You guys stay right here.
What? I have to be a
I'll guard the camera.
I don't get it, go. I don't get it, go. Whoa, yeah. Search for Landon.
Okay, you're dead.
Can I take the camera?
Stay very good.
Yeah, drop it. You drop it. Yeah.
So is your iPod. He just took my iPod.
I'm gonna give him the iPhone. I'm gonna pretend to be you guys. I have the cameras aim on me. I'm gonna pretend to be on their side, and then I'm gonna bring back any of the plans. Okay?
What the freak?
I'm gonna go look for a gun. Peace out.
So what do we do now? Do we just follow him?
I don't know. Wait. Alright, so let's go.
So now it's just you, Landon.
Gavin.
Gavin's in here.
And Andrew.
Andrew.
Gavin's not on that team.
Andrew's not in here.
Andrew and Gavin aren't. Oh, crap. His mom.
Why?
His mom.
Why? What's wrong with her? She doesn't like her.
Go back to the fort. Yep. No, Andrew and Gavin are still out there.
Dan, you go hunt them.
What?
I'm not playing anymore.
Why?
Good. I'm playing board.
Let's just have camera of what's going on. Let's just like follow them with our cameras. What are we gonna do?
You guys wanna go play the cat?
Sure. Wait.
No, I don't want to go.
Let me see your screen.
And you're clear.
All right, put your screen out. No, this one I'm looking at.
Well, I have the video footage.
I'm not done.
I've
No,
recorded
it's so
8
stupid.
minutes.
My baby cousin, he ripped up almost all my burner wood. He made the grip tape wet.
The whole thing.